Good morning. I'm Hank Jesch, the president of the Orange County Clover Club, and we are privileged to be here at the Lyon Air Museum for the 7th annual Shelby Tribute Car Show. And with me here at the table and standing beside me are three illustrious gentlemen. Right next to me here is Justin Gurney, and seated is Bernie Kretschmar and Bruce Jr. And I will let them take over.
Amazing stuff, isn't it? That we get invited to listen, people listen to us talk. Now, the nice part about that is they can edit it out by just pushing a button. Tell them a little bit about what you did, and then we'll go to him, and he can tell us a little bit about what he does. And
great job. The Gary Sports Mike thinks we work with Chuck we build all the armos, customer armos, and we prepped Gary Titus' cars, and he won 3 championships in 3 years, being the Mustangs.
Mustang was a really competitive car. Once we got through with it, at the works. At the works, you know. But, well, listen, young man, tell us a little bit about what you're up to.
Yeah.
Because you're up to some stuff that's kind of interesting.
Yeah. What I can say is my dad drove several of these cars, Cobras and CD40s, specifically. I don't know if Bruce put him Did Bruce put him in the book? I don't know. Put him in there, Bruce?
I thought I
Did
did.
he make the cut?
Yeah, I think it is.
Oh, there he is. Well, there's a car.
There's a car.
Yeah,
There's a car. And Bruce is sitting in the car. You'll notice.
Look at that. Look at that. So we still have that car. Still have it.
Right. There he is.
Yeah,
there's your man.
And I still, believe it or not, so I looked for this car forever,
Oh,
and I heard rumors. Kid you not, I heard rumors that it was in at a recycling yard. The big enough tub. Aluminum tub was at I kid you not. Aluminum tub was at a recycling yard. It still had the chassis tag on it. So chassis 12, and of course I went and looked. Sure enough, it was the car.
and your blood ran cold.
And I bought it off the guy and restored it
Yeah, it
back
looks,
to what it was.
it looks like it is. It looks
And
like
he was in
that.
the middle of the front row at India night in '67.
This picture here is the picture of all the guys working on pit stop practice. You know, we did 600 pit stops in the backyard.
Wow.
And in the spring of 1967.
Yeah. So at that time, All American Racers was half owned by Shelby and half owned by my dad, and then we bought out his half in '97.
Okay.
So this one's still half Shelby.
I can't even remember that.
Yes.
Yeah.